Hello and welcome to Chess Super League, or as I like to call it, giving content to chess-based India clips.
भाई क्या है ये?
बढ़िया मतलब मजे आने वाले हैं आज गाइस. लेट्स टेक दिस मोमेंट टू थैंक आवर टाइटल स्पॉन्सर कॉइन DCX, जिनकी वजह से हमें 40 लाख रुपए का प्राइस पूल मिला है. दिस प्राइस पूल इज सेकंड ओनली टू द एड रेवेन्यू मेड बाय चेस बेस्ड इंडिया क्लिप्स.
अरे भाई आज क्या चेस बेस्ड
चैट में ये भी सजेशन आया था कि बोर्ड जो है सागर शाह को दे दो ताकि वो जल्दी जल्दी बना दे. बट दोस्तों, सागर शाह इज ऑलरेडी बिजी ऑन हिज लैपटॉप अपलोडिंग क्लिप्स ऑन चेस बेस्ड इंडिया क्लिप्स चैनल.
बाय द वे गाइस, वन मोर थिंग आई हैव टू टेल यू कि आज अगर 3-3 टाई होगा तो इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी अ नॉर्मल रिजल्ट. 3-3
बॉक्सिंग मैच
करना है.
क्या करना है फिर?
रूल बुक देख लो.
Oh, bhai sahab. By the way, let me tell you, in the morning, Sagar bhai, I went to the breakfast actually today.
हाँ.
I wanted to have idli, but it was not allowed in the rule book.
Oh.
So then I had dosa.
But only masala is allowed.
Only masala is allowed.
Did you
Yeah,
eat
yeah.
masala? और सादा?
No, I had masala dosa. Yeah.
Please don't stop streaming because of controversy. Sagar, your responsibility to become GM after Samay reaches 2000.
भाई ज़्यादा ही responsibility डाल दी हम पे ये भाई. No, but of course not. Ups and downs तो होते रहते हैं. Yesterday we had a lot of ups and downs, but the arbiter's decision is final. And
Yeah.
as we all know, you can't spell arbiter without bitter.
Oh, I mean, they also have been doing phenomenal
Of
work.
course, yeah.
And they have
Our
been-
arbiter is actually sitting in Ukraine, right?
Yeah.
And he's an expert. He specializes in online chess and breaking friendships.
क्या बात है. And we also have travel with Nikhil
निखिल रोशन भाई, हो जाए शायरी हो जाए सागर
ये
भाई.
रहा आपके लिए. जरा.
ओके. आसान शायरी. कहो तो जरा सुन लूं आहट इस दिल की. कहो तो सुन लूं आहट इस दिल की. कोई तो छुपके अब यहाँ आ बसे, फिर पूरी रात हो मिल के. अरे यार, ये क्या गंदी शायरी लिखते हैं यार. प्लीज हैव सम मर्यादा, थोड़ी मर्यादा रखे निखिल रोशन जी.
थोड़ी मर्यादा रखिए.
And I think it will be a big problem for Kingslayers if Gukesh does not come. That means एक point गया टीम का.
बाप रे बाप.
And Anish Giri will not be happy with this.
He will be happy because उसको ट्विटर पे मिल जाएगा कंटेंट और डालने के लिए. You know, if I sometimes I think if Twitter could be monetized, Anish Giri would not be selling chessable courses. यार ट्विटर मोनेटाइज बोलते थे वो सागर शाह कान खड़े हो गए. ओके, अभी आ गया
अभी
चेस
हो रहा
बेस
है.
इंडिया क्लिप्स ट्विटर चैनल. बिल्कुल दोस्तों, 1 मिनट में मैच शुरू होने वाला है एंड द मैच विल बिगिन एनी टाइम, सो कीप योर आईज ग्लूड टू योर फोन्स अनलेस यू आर वन ऑफ द प्लेयर्स एंड वी विल बी बिगिनिंग द मैचेस.
फनी तो है भाई, फनी तो है. And Chaitanya CSL OP, great.
You know, I
guy,
think
job, guys.
there's a race between who will get more traction from CSL. It's the race is between Anish Giri and Chess Based India Clips. But the real winner you guys don't know is Vivek Desai.
क्यों? Oh right,
वो वहाँ
after
पे after
party.
party करके ले रहा है full likes वाइक्स.
The real loser I would say is Samay Sleep. Because उसको बेचारे को चांस ही नहीं मिल रहा है सोने को. If you win this match, whichever team wins this match, they go straight into the finale, into the finals tomorrow. They don't have to play anything more. But the team that loses this match is not out. They get another shot.
Yeah.
They will play the winner of 3 versus 4.
It is just like the IPL without the watching. अरे सागर भाई हंस दे चेहरे ਦਾ ये मतलब नहीं होता कि ਤੈਨੂੰ दुख नहीं होता.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ. ਉਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਕਲੀਫਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ.
Now you can see that she has her queen on a6. Now that queen is actually looking at a very small pawn on a7. पर guys, वही तो pivotal pawn है.
वाह.
वही तो pawn है जिसको तुम छोड़ नहीं सकते. कभी कभी एक छोटी सी चोट जो होती है ना, समय कभी देखा है तुमने, you have such a big like frame, you know, like अरे भाई ऐसे नहीं, मतलब
सागर शाह करेगा भाई
यार,
डार्क
ऐसे-
जोक. अभी सागर शाह हो जाएगा कैंसिल एक दिन भाई. ऐसे
भाई
बात
ऐसे
करते
नहीं, मैं
रहते.
बोल रहा हूँ लाइक यू लुक ऐसे
You are making it worse now भाई.
अरे भाई मसल्स
ऐसे मसल होता है ना भाई. बढ़िया
ऐसे
बढ़िया भाई.
समझा।
हाँ.
तो ये जो क्वीन a6 है ना,
हाँ.
दैट इज बाइटिंग दैट स्मॉल पॉन ऑन a7.
हाँ, पर मुझे क्यों तोड़ा? मुझे क्यों तोड़ते हो आप सागर शाह अपने एनालॉजी में भाई?
भाई आप फिर से मुझे क्यों तोड़ा? तो क्लिप्स में क्या डालेंगे? ऑलरेडी वो टाइटल हो गया है.
अरे यार सागर शाह भाई. The only problem though in Wang Hao's position is कि Wang Hao के पीछे जो लाइट है वो ऑन है, which is an electronic device.
No, it's not.
No?
I mean, it's just a light. Soumya showing her class in this tournament. She's, you know, like that wine. जैसे जैसे rounds हो रहे हैं, she's getting better. You know, like how wine gets better with days passing.
I don't drink man.
समय ये चेहरा झूठा है.
Yeah, look at Ding. He's pushing G4, F4, H4. Such a complicated mid-game position. Of course, it is not complicated when you compare it to the rule book.
चीफ भाई हर एक टूर्नामेंट में रूल्स होते हैं भाई.
अरे यार. Vishal just says, please interview Zansa if possible. Thank you for CSL. Thank you, Vishal ji. For sure, हम लोग को बहुत मजा आएगा to know how players are feeling. But if you also want to know how players are feeling, you can check their Twitter. So many exciting interviews actually, Chessbase India, we are looking forward to. Most exciting one that I'm looking forward to is the interview with the arbiter.
Guys, arbiter's job is very tough.
Very
yeah,
tough, very tough. Yeah, yeah. Why are you looking at me like this? So, dosto, we are now going for an Armageddon. For those of you who missed it, guys, we had 6 incredible matches and 40 new videos on Chessbase India clips in the past 1 hour. You know, by the way, yesterday, Hikaru ka jo call tha, it was actually not his call. It was the sound of the notifications he was getting from Chessbase India clips channel. Just kidding, guys, just kidding. Hikaru hasn't subscribed to Chessbase India clips channel.
Yeah.
So many jokes on Chessbase India clips today, yeah?
बहुत सारे.
Or it's just terrible. Even Neelkantha Banu cannot calculate the number of videos Sagar Shah has put in the past 1 week on Chessbase India clips.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं.
You know, yesterday I realized I was seeing the stream. मैंने 2 बार खासा stream पे. And now, according to the rule book, I have to give up my first child. Which is how they get future arbiters.
Did you even give up? Haven't you ever already given up?
What do you mean? Sagar bhai, I was thinking we have so much in common.
Uh-huh.
I crashed chess.com server.
Uh-huh.
You crash YouTube upload server.
Samay, Anna Muzichuk, 5 out of 5.
Oh yeah, Undertaker has been really quiet after seeing her streak.
Acha. I don't know what that means.
Undertaker had a very undefeated streak, you know. He was 30-0. Anyway, that's like
Your
you know,
childhood.
millennial stuff, not old stuff. You used to watch the WWF. You know, yesterday, very interestingly, Hikaru was actually waiting for his mechanic's call. That's why he had the phone with him. Now, thanks to his mechanic, today Hikaru finally has the time to drive his car.
Thanks, Krishna bhai. That OG song has some lyrics. पैसे का क्या फायदा when you die lonely.
Yeah, बोल के मुझे क्यों देखते हो? लेकिन सागर शाह, every time you just look at, you say it and then you look at me and you're like, yeah.
मुझे समय की हमेशा याद आती है. समय ऐसे रात को ना बहुत बार दुखी हो जाता है. तो he's just lying there. So उसको नींद नहीं आती रहती है and he's like ये song गाते रहता है.
Yeah, Sagar bhai, I trusted you with my sadness, man. Look at you, just capitalizing on everything. Chessbase India clips.
अरे भाई इधर क्या क्लिप कर रहा हूँ
आएगा ये समय sad at night. Why? ये आएगा thumbnail के साथ. मेरा एक thumbnail है उधर. What समय likes to eat at 2 AM. उधर एक बर्गर है, उधर मैं हूँ भाई. सागर शाह, कुछ तो रहम करो यार मेरे पे, कुछ तो रहम करो भाई. सागर शाह.
दोस्तों don't fall for his emotional
Don't fall
things,
for
ना.
emotional-
He does many things for the clips. वो बोलता है भाई मेरा ये ले लो ये एंगल से ऐसा ऐसा.
ये देखो सागर शाह, लायर सागर शाह भाई, क्या किया यार सागर भाई. But Sagar bhai, definitely after the entire CSL, we'll take a nice break, yeah. We'll go for a trip or something.
Yes, I would love that.
Chessbase India clips के एडिटर का मैसेज आया है. What does it mean by break?
ओ अमृता मोकल का सुपर चैट आया है. कह रही है बीवी ढूंढ और ट्रिप पे जा समय.
Amruta ji yaar, giving us some small share of her Chessbase India clips ad revenue. Thank you so much, Amruta ji.
Send this और फिर यही क्लिप बनाएगी और फिर से डालेगी.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
वेद कह रहे सागर समय प्लीज टेल द डायरेक्टर टू जूम. नो ब्रांडिंग इज बीइंग हिडन व्हाइल जूमिंग इन. अरे मनन वेद वी विल ट्राई आवर बेस्ट. वॉचिंग बढ़ेगी.
दोस्तों, Mama Earth is a plastic positive brand, and thank you so much to Mama Earth that they are sponsoring this league, and they've always supported us from day one, yeah.
या
जाते हैं वापस गुजराती के गेम में जहाँ पे काफी कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेट हो गया है दोस्तों.
हो
एंड
गया
विदित
यार.
हैज नॉट कैसल्ड येट. एंड हमको पता है कि विदित को कैसलिंग कितनी पसंद है. इनफैक्ट वो पानी भी कैसलिंग करके पीते हैं.
बट लुक एट क्वेश्चन शी हैज हर हैंड ऑन हर हेड. शी लाइक क्या चल क्या रहा है
She
यहाँ
looks
पे.
like she's reading the rule book, you know. Like इतना कुछ है इसमें हट यार.
यही इश्यू है मतलब नॉट विद इट बट चेस का यही इश्यू है कि you have to keep making one good move after another. You might make 10 good moves, but then if you make one mistake, your advantage is lost.
And you know, like they say that the most difficult game to win is a already won game.
True.
But I really think it's more difficult to win a lost game, bhai.
That is true. And even the World Cup performance recently was really a very, very big milestone in his career because he became the first Indian after Vishy Anand to qualify to the quarterfinals of a World Cup. किसी ने नहीं किया था अब तक. He has that thing in him that yes, I belong right up there and I have this preparation. I work hard. I put in so much effort. I can be the best.
We're still talking about him or your editor?
No.
You know, last time Gary Sara joined, he was commenting on my games and he was like, 95, are you not playing 95?
Yeah, 95.
But today, you commented on some professional, like amazing super Grandmaster games. So I'm sure that they will play all the good moves and Gary, so you'll have a fun time commentating with us. The matches are going to begin anytime soon.
Yeah, don't overestimate super grandmasters. Yes, they all make mistakes, you know.
Sir, is it your phone?
It's my phone, yes. Just let me.
Okay, sir. Oh my God, I hope we don't lose Gary Kasparov, sir, after this. Arbiter, please.
When he's not playing, yeah, rule book does not apply.
I'm not sure what the rule book says, what it doesn't say, man. What if it's Hikaru on the call? According to the rules, Neil Kantabanu is not allowed to play chess as electronic devices are not allowed.
Okay, and what is your take, guys? You will take on the King Slayers tomorrow. This is a team that you guys have lost to twice in the round robin as well as in today's first qualifiers. So, what will be your strategy? Like, what will you do differently to beat them tomorrow?
Man want to walk through the same river twice.
Oh,
Not
nicely
alone.
said.
Yeah.
Can you say that again, Ding? Can you say that again?
He just wants a clip for his channel. I know.
No. I didn't hear it so well.
A man cannot go through the river twice.
Heraclitus, a Greek philosopher born in 544 BC, said, BC पे हंस दो ये देखो ये सागर शाह ये पे end कर रहे हैं हम. See you guys, that's all for today, man. I am just done with this Sagar Shah. Bye bye.
मैं ये देख रहा हूँ कि बलराज भाई ने रैकलियस क्या कट करने को बोल रहे हो. अरे डायरेक्टर साहब ये वापस बुला रहे आपको. कट नहीं होगा ये.
हाई पॉइंट समझता है कि नहीं समझता है? कट.
No, he's a professional. He will make you sit here. Come back and read the super chat.
एक आर्ट ऑफ एंडिंग स्ट्रीम नहीं करने देता भाई. Heraclitus, a Greek philosopher born in 544 BC, said, "No man ever steps in the same river twice, for it's not the same river and he's not the same man."
Ding OP. Oh, for he's not. Oh man, क्या बढ़िया है. Ding ने मतलब हाफ बताया पर बलराज भाई ने वो पूरा किया.
हाँ. And director sir, इसी लो नोट पे bye bye. Take care and thank you.
इन 64 बक्सों की कमान थाम है तेरी चाल चल दिमाग से आती नहीं जबान काम गलत चाल और जाती है या जान लगा के घात मौके पे दुमात मेरा नाम 1930 का सुल्तान.